If you love using Google Calendar to stay on top of your to-dos and appointments, you're gonna love Trello. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar so you can see all of your Trello due dates, deadlines, and projects right inside of your calendar. Syncing Google Calendars and Trello together honestly is a must-have if you use both apps. So let's jump into the tutorial. All right, so we're here inside of our Trello demo board. Before we link Trello to Google Calendar, there's only one real important thing that you need to do first. Every single card that you want to appear on your Google Calendar needs to have a due date assigned to it in Trello, and that's key. If you want it on your calendar, it needs to have a deadline. So go into each card and set a due date. Choose the date, time, and then click Save. This is super simple, but also very important because this is what allows everything to sync correctly. Next, we're going to enable the calendar power-up. If you're not familiar with power-ups, just scroll over the power-ups section. This opens up the menu where you can search for calendar and then enable it. Now that we have it enabled, you'll be able to see all of your cards with due dates laid out on a calendar, which is incredibly helpful. If you're on Trello's free plan, you can use 1 power-up per board. If you're on a paid plan, you can use up to 3 power-ups per board. Once your calendar is set up, you can quickly see all of your cards and deadlines at a glance. You can click on any card to open it and view all the details. Or you can even create a brand new card directly from the calendar view, which is really convenient. You can also add specific times to your cards. This view is especially great if you're managing projects, deadlines, or time-sensitive tasks. This is super intuitive and easy to use. Another helpful feature is that any card that's marked as complete, so you can instantly see what's been done and then what is still pending. Now let's go and sync the Google Calendar. Open your calendar view and then go into the calendar settings. From there, you want to enable syncing. Once you click on Enable Sync, Trello will generate an iCalendar feed. Copy that link. Next, head over to Google Calendar and then click Add a new calendar. Choose from URL and then paste that iCalendar link. You can decide whether or not you want this calendar to be public, but for most personal and business cases, keeping it private makes it more secure. And then click Add Calendar. Once that's done, you'll see the calendar appear in Google Calendar with the same name as your Trello board. In this case, our board is called Demo, so that's exactly what shows up here. You'll notice that completed or past items are shaded, while anything upcoming or still pending is clearly visible. Here's a really cool bonus. Inside of Google Calendar, you can open a Trello card directly by clicking into the card URL. It takes you straight to the card, which is incredibly useful. You can also see which Trello list the card belongs to, like the to-do list or the done list, right from Google Calendar, which adds even more context at a glance. If you follow the steps, you should be all set with your Trello tasks, deadlines, and projects synced directly into your Google Calendar. This will streamline together 2 tools that you're already using for a more seamless experience. Don't forget to grab the Trello Business Blueprint using the link in the description. And if you want to learn more ways to use Trello to boost your productivity, check out my full Trello playlist right here. And until next time, stay productive.